An emergency fund is a financial safety net that can help you weather unexpected expenses. It's a crucial component of your overall financial plan. But when is the right time to dip into your emergency fund, and how should you use it? When to use your emergency fund. Generally, you should only use your emergency fund for true emergencies. These can include medical expenses, unexpected illnesses, injuries, or dental procedures. Job loss. If you lose your job or experience a significant reduction in income. Car repairs or replacement. Major repairs or the need to replace your vehicle. Home repairs. Unexpected repairs or damage to your home. Natural disasters, hurricanes, floods, fires, or other natural calamities. How to use your emergency fund. Assess the situation. Determine if the expense is truly an emergency and if it can be covered by your emergency fund. Prioritize expenses. If you have multiple emergencies, prioritize them based on their urgency and impact on your financial stability. Use the fund judiciously. Only withdraw the amount needed to cover the emergency. Avoid using the fund for non-emergency expenses. Rebuild the fund. Once you've used your emergency fund, make it a priority to rebuild it as quickly as possible. Tips for using your emergency fund wisely. First, set a goal. Determine how much you want to save in your emergency fund. A common goal is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Next, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund. It's also important to review your fund regularly. Check your emergency fund balance periodically to ensure it's sufficient to cover potential emergencies. Consider a high-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account can help your emergency fund grow faster. Lastly, have a backup plan. If you've exhausted your emergency fund, consider borrowing from a friend, family member, or a credit card as a last resort. However, be mindful of interest rates and repayment terms. By following these guidelines, you can effectively use your emergency fund to protect yourself from financial setbacks and maintain your overall financial well-being.